together is a beginning.
Keeping together is a progress.
And working together is a success.
A thought of gathering all the intellectuals of accountancy, audit, and taxation arose few months ago. Many worked together for the progress of this thought, and as a success, we all have gathered here today for the inaugural of UDP's first CA annual conference, Jnana Sammilana, Congregation of Knowledge.
Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to one and all present here. As the chief guest of Jnana Sammilana's inaugural function, we have amongst us Sri Kishore Alva, President and Director of Adani UPCL. I request CA Narsim Naik, Chairman of UDP branch of SRC of ICAI, to escort Sri Kishore Alva onto the dais.
Also amidst us, we have Sri Tandale Kishore, IRS, Assistant Commissioner of Central Tax. I request Vice Chairman of UDP branch, CA Pradeep Jogi, to escort him onto the dais.
CA Geeta AB, ex-officio member, is also present amongst us. I request the Secretary of UDP branch of SRC of ICI, CA Kavita Mpai, to escort CA Geeta AB onto the dais. I also request CA Lokesh Shetty, CA Gujari Prabhakar Naik, to join the dignitaries. Let's all raise for the Institute motto song.
येष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति येष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं कामं पुरुषो निर्मिमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः श्रुतः सर्वतदूनात्येति कश्चन यथद्वैतात् यथद्वैतात् यथद्वैतात्.
Please be seated.
I request CA Narsim Naik to welcome the gathering.
ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಗೀತಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ನಾಡು ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರಾಣ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಅನ್ನದಾಸೋಹ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪರಿಶೋಧನಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶಾಖೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವ ಪ್ರಥಮ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಮ್ಮಿಲನ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾಸೋಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಮಾತೆಯರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you all here on this first annual conference, that is Jnana Sammilana. I welcome one and all for this conference. Dignitaries on the dais, respected President and Executive Director, Adani Udupi Power Corporation Limited, Sri Kishore Alva ji, respected Assistant Commissioner, Central Tax, Udupi Division, Dr. Kishore ji, and our ex officio member, CA Geeta ji, and Managing Committee members, and past chairmen of Mangalore branch, Udupi branch, and other branches of Karnataka, resource person for the first technical session, Sri Krishna Upadhyaya, and CAs from all over Karnataka, from Udupi, Mangalore, and other parts, and media friends, both from print and electronic media, and members of Tax Bar Association, Small Scale Industry Association, Chamber of Commerce, and future chartered accountants. I heartily thank and welcome you all for happily agreeing to our invitation and gracing this conference. I would like to take this opportunity to quickly throw a light on our branch and this conference. Our Udupi branch is set up in the year 2001, and during the founder, our president is now SICASA chairman, C.A. Prabhakar Naik ji, and branch is given a lot of programs for members, for students and stakeholders. When the branch is started, and it is inaugurated on 15th August 2001, and actually set up in our institute records by notification in May 2001, and now it is entering 20th year in May 2020. So it is a official during that time, and we are having around 100 members as per our records. And past chairman Anantnand Pai morning has given this newsletter, and various milestones and history of the branch is recorded here. Actually, e-learning center has been started, examination center has been started, information system audit course has been done, various programs for students and members have been done. And the inauguration of own premises of the branch is in the year 2006. And during that time, there is a 2 days conference. And also, in the year 2001, 10 years, for completion of 10 years, there is also a conference held to mark the 10-year celebration. And our branch actually now is having more than 250 members, and it is categorized under small category as per our institute records. And our branch is giving various programs during the last my tenure in 1920, and for students and stakeholders and all other connected with our profession. And this branch was chaired by various chartered accountants for last 19 years. And I become the 18th chairman of this branch for the year 1920, and it is a great honor and privilege to me. And during the year, we as a teamwork managing committee with great responsibility and concern towards the members and students, also the stakeholders, have tried our level best to encourage and enhance the knowledge, efficiency, and skill which requires for a successful profession. And during the year, the various dignitaries has been visited to the branch. I can say the district commissioner, principal, district and session judge, the superintendent of police, Indian Revenue Service officials, advocates, central council members, regional council members, chairman, Southern India Regional Council, and various dignitaries. And also we are having various resource persons to enhance the knowledge base of our members. And recently, we had a seminar in the month of December, and it has been appreciated by our district commissioner that is not related to directly related to our CA profession, that is labor law and ORU. So even district commissioner is appreciated me. For the first time, I am hearing a chartered accountant is doing this seminar. And on devotional side, so during this month, January 1st, we offered, Chartered Accountants of Udupi offered a Bhajana Seva in Nirantara Bhajana Seva at Krishnamat, and also 10th January, our Paryaya Swamiji, Sri Sri Ishapriya Tirtha Swamiji of Admaru Mutt has visited and blessed all of us. And today, it is the first annual conference, Jnana Sammilana. And idea behind this is, my vision is number one, it is a networking. Number two, increase our efficiency, knowledge. And number three, we should have a sufficient knowledge in performing our duties. Without updating, understanding, we cannot perform. If there is no understanding, updating, and upgrading, there is no compliance of law. If we cannot understand, there will be a lot of protest with the lack of understanding. And today, actually, we are entering in the month of May 20 years. And the child born after 2001, and he or she will be CA in next 1 year, 2021, because at the age of 21, as per our curriculum, 10+2, if they enter to CA course, at the age of 21, they will become the CA. So next 2021, they become CA means they may be born after our branch setup. So that is a great honor for us. And today we are having various technical sessions, and first technical session is relating to relevant for all our professionals, that is e-assessment and practical approach to appeals. And just now our speaker from Bengaluru, CA Krishna Upadhyaya, has completed. We are having sessions on GST updates, and afternoon we are having strategies to grow practice and frugal technologies. And finally, we are having important session on white-collar crimes, raising expectations, and compliance burden on auditors. And it is a panel discussion, and our past chairman, CA Ganesh Vai, will moderate this panel discussion. On this note, I would like to welcome our chief guest for this inaugural, Sri Kishore Alwaji. And one thing I should point out, I just contacted him through our phone. And he told me, you need not come to my office, because he is 24 hours busy. Actually, his activities on 24 hours. So I must be grateful for accepting our invitation. Sir, I am welcoming you for this. Another chief guest for this inaugural, Dr. Kishore ji, and he is very much pleasant. When I met him yesterday, I will come for inaugural. Sir, I am welcoming you. And other dignitary on the dais, our ex officio member, and she is the guiding force for me for 1920. She is none other than CA AB Geeta Madam. Madam, I welcome you. I welcome resource persons, Colin, CA Colin. He will be taking next session, CA Krishna Upadhyaya, and his father is also sitting here. I don't name. Srinivas Upadhyaya from Bengaluru. Sir, I am welcoming you all. I welcome government officials who come here, accepting our invitation. So, Sri Krishnamurthy is here. Sir, I am welcoming. Income Tax Officer Krishnamurthy is here. And all other officers from Income Tax and GST, I am welcoming all. I also welcome past chairmen of Bangalore and Udupi branch, and my professional colleagues for this program. And I should welcome our media friends from print and electronic media, because all 1920, for all this year, they supported us, and all activity they have carried in their newspaper. So I welcome all my friends from print and electronic media. I also welcome the members of Tax Bar Association, President of Tax Bar Association, and members of small scale industry, and members of Chamber of Commerce. And finally, I welcome all my chartered accountant students who are the future of our profession. I welcome CA students. So I welcome one and all, and thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, and a hearty welcome to you too. I now request CA Narsim Naik to florally welcome our Chief Guest Sri Kishore Alva.
I request CA Narsim Naik to also florally welcome Sri Tandale Kishore. I request our Secretary CA Kavita Empai to florally welcome CA Geeta AB. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, which means from darkness to light.
Light symbolizes knowledge, purity, and is the dispeller of the darkness.
Lord Buddha says, if you light a lamp for someone else, it will brighten your path too.
I request our today's dignitaries to light a lamp. I request Sri Kishore Alva, Sri Tandale Kishore, and Sri Geeta AB to inaugurate the Jnana Sammilana by lighting the lamp. I request the managing committee to join them. CA Lokesh Shetty to introduce our today's guest, CA Geeta AB.
Guest, CA Geeta AB. CA Geeta AB was the first lady from Karnataka to contest for the SRC elections 1922 and won with the highest mandate and presently serving as a regional council member. She is a partner in Geeta Chandrakant and Co., practicing chartered accountant with 15 years of professional experience and specialized in the field of direct taxation and auditing. Let me tell you, she is the first lady to occupy as the chairperson of Bangalore branch of SRC of ICA for 1718, which was set up in 1962. She is the first lady to be the chairman of SRC of ICA Bangalore. She was executive committee member and first lady treasurer of KSC AA, Karnataka State Chartered Accountants Association. Her contribution to CA professional fraternity pertaining to Bangalore branch is commendable. She served in various capacities in Bangalore branch, all being her first lady treasurer, first lady secretary, first lady vice chairman, and first lady chairman. Congratulations, ma'am. And she is a chairman of Professional Development and NPO Committee of SRC of ICA. She is a member of CP Committee, Branch Coordination Committee, Committee on Banking, Financial Services and Insurance, Committee on GST and Indirect Taxes, Editorial Board, Internal Audit Committee, Library Committee, Member Services Committee, Research Committee, and Exposure Draft Committee. As a woman member on board, she has taken the initiative of conducting first CA Women's Conference in Bangalore, which was well appreciated by the members, and thereafter continuously it was conducted. She only started that. Now it is continuously being conducted. And she is the first to take the initiative to introduce the Student Speakers Forum, whereas the students have been trained in communication and public speaking skills, and around 1,000 students have been benefited from this program. She served in different capacities. She has also taken the leadership roles in Bangalore CA Toastmasters Club as Secretary and Vice President, Membership and Public Relations. She was a member of Awake. Her contribution as a resource person to the women entrepreneurs is remarkable. Here I am introducing the CA Geeta AB before you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I request our ex officio member, C. Geeta AB, to address the gathering.
Dignitaries on the dais. Our chief guest, Mr. Kishore Alwa, President and Executive Director of Adani UPL in particular, and Dr. Tandale Kishore, IRS, Commissioner of Central GST, our young and energetic chief guest of today's program. They mentioned me as a chief guest. I'm the ex-officio of this branch. This is my branch. I need not be a chief guest of my own branch, my own home. And the chairman of this branch, headed by C.A. Narasimhanayak and his team members, and my professional colleagues, Udupi branch and Mangalore branch. Happy morning to one and all. It's my proud privilege standing before you as a ex-officio of this branch and a first lady, of course a first lady representing Karnataka to SIRC, addressing this gathering. And first I should thank all the Udupi branch members from my bottom of my heart for giving me this highest mandate in the elections. I know that I would win, but I didn't expect this highest mandate. It's all possible because of you people. You have extended all sort of your support, guidance, and help, whatever and whenever and wherever I required. At the outset, I would appreciate the efforts of Udupi branch chairman, C.A. Narasimhanayak and his team for arranging this unique program of one-day conference. When he called me and discussed about this program, I was so excited to attend this program because he mentioned that it would be a reunion of the members. What else anyone needed if we see one of our past friend or our childhood friend or our college friend who would have studied with us and now after a long time if we meet. So the seeing them, meeting them and seeing beautiful smile on their face, it would be, have such a exciting experience. The way this conference is designed is interesting, and because of covering various topics which is relevant of today, that e-assessment, it may be a GST, and it may be the white-collar crimes existing, because nowadays wherever you see our CAs are in use for one or the other reason, it may be for some other benefit. So the program is designed in such a way which is very much beneficial and apt to the current scenario. So I appreciate Mangalore branch for joining hands and participating in large number. And when he said about the reunion of members, I could say reunion of leaders too, because all past chairmen of Udupi branch and Mangalore branch coming together and having the sessions, even as a panelist. If I see the panelists in the session, in the last session, Mangalore branch past chairman is also there, Udupi branch past chairman is also there. So it's it's a kind of reunion of members as well as leaders of these branches. It's good to know that you are all working together to organize a conference of each of these branches. And being a SIRC member and chairman of PDC and GMCS committee, we have come up with a few value-added suggestions, which we have sent it to HO, and I'm happy to inform you that most of the suggestions were accepted by our HO. And world is moving towards digitalization, and no ICAI has no exception. Hence, it has introduced SSP portal, and it's really a welcoming step. Now there is no need to go to any institute or SIRC for any of your favors to get it done, the work. Everything is possible just with a click of a button. But everyone knows there is a teething problem. There will be a teething problem everywhere whenever we introduce new things. Here is also it's there, but most of the things were settled down. Now all technical glitches which we were facing has almost fixed except a few things. Thanks to the people sitting at the helm of the affairs and HO office, burning their midnight oil to bring the institute's vision to reality. If still anyone is facing any problem in SSP portal, you can call any of our RC members or you can mail me your issue. We will try to resolve it to give the solution within as early as possible, because you know about the problems we are facing in SSP portal. Before I conclude, I heard that not many members are coming forward to take up the leadership role in the committee. That's what I heard about when we had discussion with a few people. But at the same time, I'm surprised to see so many members who came from Bangalore and who had the lot of exposure from Bangalore and coming back and settling here. I have seen so many youngsters. I just request the youngsters and ladies to come forward and take up the leadership roles or contribute to the institute whatever way is possible from your side, because at last this is our alma mater which has given us pride and respect. Whatever we are now today, this is because of our institute. So we have to give it back whatever we are getting from the institute. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your beautiful and encouraging words. It's time now to release e-Savanir of UDP's first ever annual CA conference, Jnana Sammilana. I request today's chief guest, Sri Kishore Alva, to release the e-Savanir with a click. I also request other dignitaries to join them. Thank you. Please be seated.
I request CA Gujari Prabhakar Nayak to introduce our today's guest, Sri Tandale Kishore, to the gathering.
Chartered Accountants, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce to Udupi a person from medical profession coming into the administrative service, Dr. Tandale Kishore, a MBBS graduate, then completed his IRS and directly posted to Udupi, the abode of Lord Krishna, as the Assistant Commissioner of the Central Excise and GST. I remember Dr. Reju, who was the District Commissioner of the Udupi. He is also from the medical profession, then completed his IAS and be the District Commissioner of the Udupi. I welcome you, sir, and he has to perform. It is his first assignment. Being the young and very talented, Udupi is a very good platform for you to show your talent and administrative spirit. And people and the professionals will comply all your requirements and give you all supports. I welcome you and introduce to the audience. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request Sri Tandale Kishore to address the gathering.
Dignitaries on the dais, all CA fraternity community. I think this is the second time within 15 days I am with all the CA community here. First time on 13 January. For recent updates on the GST, I was invited in the CA office only. So this is a first annual conference and Jnana Sammilana from the Udupi branch. I feel that Udupi CA association is very active in this sense. This is first annual conference and very title says ki Jnana Sammilana. Means ki the striving for the knowledge and updation of the knowledge. Being a taxation matter, all CAs and all tax officials also have to be very much updated as the law is changing very fast. So I feel this initiative should go a long way, and this gathering should increase with long distance, and in coming years this hall should be filled. The very purpose of this first conference is Jnana Sammelana. In addition to this, with every year I feel that some basic topics should be changed from Jnana Sammelana to ethics in practices of the CAs to the facilitation to the trade. Like that way, every year association can keep changing the topics. In this way, our Honorable Prime Minister on very 1st July of the CA Association Day, CA Day, have mentioned that CAs are the doctors for the economy. The doctors are medical professionals are doctors for the human being. But CAs are the doctors for this whole India's economy. And without economy prospering,